Today, we're making exploding ninja stars. The only thing you need for this is popsicle sticks. Let's get started. This experiment uses tension. That's when two forces pull and push against each other like tug of war.
So you start off with 5 popsicle sticks. You take 3 and you stack them like a W. But the middle part of the W needs to be the bottom stick, okay? So once you have your popsicle sticks in a W, you're gonna go behind your middle stick, but in front of your 2 side sticks. Then you're gonna do the opposite and you're gonna go behind your 2 side sticks, but in front of your middle stick. Make sure they don't get too wide apart. Pop. So we're going behind the 2 side sticks this time, and we're going in front of the middle stick. And then when you throw it, it explodes. All right.
Thanks for watching Science of Violet. If you want to see more, go to scienceofviolet.com.